towards London. If you'd like to set your watches to GMT, we're just coming up on 2 minutes past 11. We'll be touching down in just 20 minutes time, and just after 20 minutes past 11, have you on stand 5 minutes thereafter. That's going to be about a good 15 minutes ahead of schedule. Weather in London today, light breeze from the southeast. West of northeast, it's a little bit chilly at 4 degrees Celsius, and it is overcast. As I said, touching down nice and early in just 20 minutes.